Uyabona-ke mosebenzela uNkulunkulu besikhuluma iqiniso ziningi izinto okumele uyibheke. For example, mosebenzela uNkulunkulu there are topics uNkulunkulu akunikeza wona and he expects you ukuthi ukhulume ngawo, which is why la kumele uyihlukanisele mosaqala ukusebenzela uNkulunkulu ukuthi are you going to be serving people or you're going to serve uNkulunkulu? Because if you are serving people, whatever izinto abantu abafuna uyikhulume noma uzenze ukuze nawe ungene kwi-network yabo, kuzomele nawe uzenze lezo zinto futhi ukhulume ngazo. But uma usebenzisa i-network kaNkulunkulu yasezulwini, whatever God wants you speak about, and ukuze ube ikholwa ngempela likaNkulunkulu, kubiza ukuthi abantu bengakunambithi, abantu mawuqhamuka benyiphe bekuhlebe bemelane nawe, just because there are things that you say ngabo, izinto abangayithandi ukuthi zishiwe kubona. It's very easy to be famous and to basically speak about izinto which are harmless, izinto which are people pleasing, and izinto othi mokhuluma ngazo ubone ukuthi nje azakhi. Most of the people, they run away from real factors, real topics, things that people do need ukuze belapheke, and they speak about izinto which are topics ala ezweni. Yeah, sometimes sike sikhulume ngokwezwe ngoba phela sisezweni, but akumele singene size sime esitikini, yabo nje kubonakala ukuthi hayi ngempela ngokwezwe singenile kushiqela. Uma ngokaNkulunkulu ngoba okwakini kunomqhelo ozayo, there are things okumele uzazi mosebenzela uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungcwele, unamandla onke, and wena uma uzoba umuntu wakhe kuzomele uvume ukuthi uholo yena akuguide walume wenza lemisebenzi yakhe, because la uphethe amandla angawona walelizwe. Lamandla lawa abantu abalimaza, and makhulu lamandla izwe alikwazi ukumelana nawo noma hlasimpe ukwa-understanda because akaNkulunkulu. For example, la ubheka uJesu wayesukumisa iy'shosha, ekukhulumisa iy'mungu, iy'mpuputhe zibona, evula abantu amehlo, enza izinto ezi-impossible but ezenza as if zijwayelekile. uJesu lamandla lawa ayenawo nemisebenzi ayenza was proof enough ukuthi uNkulunkulu naye, and uJesu zonke izinto wayezenza. uJesu wayezazi inhliziyo zabantu zinjani, wayengalindele ukuthi abantu bamtshele ukuthi bona banjani, noma omunye amtshele ngabantu ngoba uyabazi abakhe wabadala. So most of the times uJesu mekhuluma wayegxila kuNkulunkulu,